Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we will learn about prefixes, suffixes, and root words from Unit 1 in your Max book, page 11. The goals in this lesson are to explain what a root is and where do root words usually come from. You will be able to define the words prefix, suffix, and affix. You will be able to identify the meaning of the prefixes and suffixes that we will use in this unit. Okay, so what is a root? Maybe you're thinking a root of a tree that grows in the ground and gets water. It's related to that, but no, it's not that kind of root we are talking about. The root is a word part, usually comes from the ancient Greek or ancient Latin. It has a meaning and it isn't usually a word in English that can stand by itself. Some of them can, a lot of them can't. Like you just can't throw this word part because it has a meaning and expect it to make sense. So prefixes and suffixes, what are they? A prefix is a little word part. It goes at the beginning of a word and then added to changes the meaning. And suffixes are nearly the same thing. A suffix is a little word part that goes at the end of the word and it adds to or changes the meaning as well. Both prefixes and suffixes are types of affixes. So, a prefix is an affix and a suffix is an affix. Affix is another type, but we don't use it in English, so we are not going to learn about it. Okay, so let's go through our prefixes in this unit that are very easy. Let's start with N and M, I-N and I-M. They mean not or opposite. So think of the word impossible. Something is possible means you can do it. If it's impossible, then it's not possible to do. So an N and M, even though they are spelled differently, they mean the same thing. So keep these two together in your mind and memorize them. Also, this means not or opposite. So if I am displeased, I'm not pleased. We also have re as our prefix, meaning again or back. If our root words are write, read, view, they change to rewrite, reread, review, meaning to go back or do it again. We have over, meaning too much, and the root words are book, sleep, work. They change to overbook, oversleep, yani sleeping too much, overwork, meaning working too much. We have miss, M-I-S, as a prefix, meaning badly or incorrect. We have lead, inform, spell. They change to mislead, misinform, and misspell. What does misspell mean? Misspells mean you are spelling a word incorrectly. What does misinform mean? That means that you have not informed someone of something. We have pre as prefix, meaning before. We have expose, judge, cook, that change to pre-expose, prejudge, pre-cook. So these are some of the prefixes in this unit. Now, let's go to the suffixes. Suffixes in English grammar is a set of letters which we add at the end of the root word to make a new word in meaning. Here we have 3 suffixes that change the part of speech of a word. So, our first one, T-I-O-N. It turns the word into nouns. Remember what nouns are? They are people, places, things, ideas. And it means the act of process of something. So think of the word action. It's a noun. There's a lot of action, meaning good. It's an adjective describing the noun action. It's the thing act is the thing you do. It's the verb, so action is the act or process of acting or doing in this case. So if you see shun, T-I-O-N, word, it's a noun. It's an act or a process to do something. Moving along, we have O-R-E-R. These are also nouns, and it means someone, something who does something. So let's keep going with act, actor. Actor is someone who acts. A computer is something that computes. A doctor is someone who helps heal. So, O-R-E-R usually are some or something that does something. Another example, a teacher teaches. A swimmer swims. Move along. O-U-S. These letters turn words into adjectives. Again, these letters turn words into adjectives. What are adjectives again? They are describing words. So I might say tremendous or fabulous. These are words that describe nouns. Describe people, they describe places, they describe things, they describe ideas. Do not forget. These are very important three. I need you to know what part of speech they turn things into. Another suffix, A-N-T, E-N-T, meaning person who does a verb. If we have, for an example, assist, consult, stud, what do they change into? They change into assistant as a helper, consultant, student. We know the meanings of those. We also have many adjectives that can be formed by adding a suffix to a noun, like y, able, full, ful, or ish, ish. Giving an example to these, dirt becomes dirty, comfort becomes comfortable with able, beauty becomes beautiful with ful suffix, and child becomes childish, ish, with the suffix ish. Okay, so please study and go through each one of these on this page to get a better understanding of our lesson of prefixes and suffixes. This concludes our lesson. Until next time. Ciao.